We also have an email question that's come in from Sangeeta Arora. Sangeeta wants to know what the future prospects are of the Winter Hills by Uppal developers in Sector 777, Gurgaon. Now, she says possession was due the end of 2016. It's likely to be delayed. What kind of appreciation can Sangeeta expect from this property, Jayashree? On one hand, she's telling us possession is going to be delayed, but she seems fairly confident that it will eventually be given to her. It's only delayed marginally, which is a good thing in Gurgaon. What kind of appreciation can she expect from Winter Hills?
I would say that right now in this area, this is very close to the NH8, along the, it's further up from the Dwarka Expressway, and it's along closer to the NH8. So there is a access to this project, which is why she's probably considering it. Now, we've been hearing about the Dwarka Expressway being completed, that entire area being livable, but that still is a while away. I don't see too much action on the ground. If she sees cranes moving in that project, please consider it. If the cranes are not moving, and even if the project is very close to completion and delivery, I would say if the cranes are not moving, do not buy the project. Wait till the cranes start moving. When the developer shows the intent to deliver, that's the time when you can probably pick up this project.
All right, so keep an eye, of course, on any progress on the ground. Make sure it's an active construction site.
You can watch live TV on our website, mpnow.in. Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/magicbricksnow. And don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at magicbricksnow. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/magicbricksnow.